Like kam thamai haka State Bank of India lani SBI minta bunai me arajar phoi ka kerteng jong post kade Junior Associate Customer Support and Sales ka last date lani ka tarik ba khado philaban submit yaki application jong pi kade ha khatnyo tarik bunai me arajar phoi kani ka SBI ka apply ni kani ka post keleng kari India tangba menta kalai ru khat sau tuli ki post hakane ka jilla Meghalaya ke age limit lani ka kerta ka brang kam kalongum ne kito ki ba apply kim nei ban dai hapo ka ar post nam ba kim nei ru ban tam ya ka ar pras nam ka educational qualifications lani ka jingdan kam por ba apply ya kane ka post kalongum ne pihak bandai ba graduate lane bala pendap ka graduation na kano ka university but hakano ka subject pihak banyele arsen ke exam ka baning kong gare ka preliminary examination ka bandai online but ka badai shikanta ki questions banwan ki objective type question hado shi spa marks kin one na ka English language like how marks numerical ability like sun marks but naka reasoning ability like sun marks haban na pila ada pass yaka preliminary exam hable sa yaka main exam questions ki banwan naka general financial awareness sun marks general English south marks quantitative aptitude sun marks but ka reasoning ability but computer aptitude 100 marks kito ki badan jeng ban apply ya kani ka post ng ka SBI pihak ban apply by online mla ban apply da ka basan applications kumno pihak ban apply by online nakabalik na kani ka website https://bank.sbi/careers lani ka https www.sbi.co.in careers recruitment of junior associates 2021 anda pila ada ban register pihak ban seo yaka application fee daga online mode daga ba pendonkam yaka debit card lani ka credit card lani ka internet banking kito gi bakwa bantap shusho spang kanika post junior associate ka bami menta ubanay mi arajar phoi na ka SBI sungobha download yaka official notification kabala ay da PDF hapo ka description jaka nika video